In your quest to design high-quality, detail-focused interiors, you want a supply partner with proven capabilities to go to work on your biggest challenges. At Knape Vogt, our expertise is sliding systems. We are dedicated to precision engineering and manufacturing the most cutting-edge, reliable sliding system solutions for your interior design vision. Whether your objective is to create new storage spaces, improve access to storage and amenities, optimize use of space, enhance comfort and safety, or address ergonomics issues. With KV as your partner, you have the advantage of decades of sliding system innovation across many consumer and industrial markets. As a leading supplier of sliding systems to domestic and global Tier 1 and Tier 2 providers, KV, along with our partner VentureSource, is focused on bringing unparalleled innovation to the interiors market. Innovation like a sliding system in the console that moves the cup holder to reveal storage beneath. An effort-controlled sliding system for the armrest offers driver comfort in a luxury interior. Instrument panel storage with a sliding system utilizing a holdout detent. A sliding seat extender with improved robustness allows seat cushion movement for comfort and ease in driving. Our capabilities encompass all stages of sliding systems implementation, from initial ideation and concept to prototype testing, manufacturing, QA and global logistics. Tap into our expertise at any stage in the process and we'll become part of your team, helping put your ideas in motion with sliding systems that are precision engineered to exceed your expectations in automotive interior design. Working with global OEMs and Tier 1 suppliers on the hottest interior trends in application after application, today and tomorrow.